In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery of this Mazda key fob. So first step, you'll need to go on the back of the casing, and there's a small tab here. You'll need to push it down while you pull the physical key that is inside the key fob. You won't need it anymore, you can set it aside. Now you'll take a small flathead screwdriver like this one. You can take a knife also if it helps. And you'll notice here there's a small indentation right here. This is where I'll put my screwdriver inside and twist. You don't need a lot of effort to do this. And by doing so, the casing will open in two separate pieces. Right there. So the battery is here. To remove it, you can take back your screwdriver and just go, you see, under the battery and pop it this way. You won't damage anything, you won't even touch the metal here. This key fob takes a CR2025 3 volts battery, just like this one. Check the link in the description if you want to know where to get one. To put it back, it's easy. You put the positive side facing up, the side with the plus symbol. Insert it. Alright, take the other part of the casing and just clip it back the way it was at the beginning. Make sure it clicks everywhere. Now you can take the physical key and insert it back, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if this video helped you. Thanks.